Let us make the yummy street food pav bhaji. Welcome to Home of Taste Veg Recipes. Firstly, pressure cook soaked green peas and sliced 5 to 6 potatoes for 5 to 6 whistles. After cooling, remove the outer skin of the potatoes. In a pan, add half a teaspoon of butter, an inch of ginger, 3 to 4 garlic and fry for 3 minutes. Then add 2 large chopped tomatoes and fry them. Now, take a mixer jar, add half of the cooked potatoes, half of the cooked green peas, fried tomato, salt per taste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji powder and grind it to a fine paste. To the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 chopped onions and fry them until it's translucent. Then add grounded paste and mix well. Add remaining potatoes which is mashed neatly. Add remaining cooked green peas. Water as per the requirement. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji powder. Salt per taste and mix well. Add water if it is required and give it a good boil. Add coriander leaves and mix well. Keep 2 chopped onions and chopped lemon in a separate plate. Spread butter or ghee on pav and fry both the sides on the tawa. Take a plate, keep pav bhaji on one side, spread onions on the bhaji and a piece of lemon and serve. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, haven't subscribed, please subscribe, press the bell icon for your notifications.